Hello YouTube and welcome to ImprovedGuns.com. This is going to be a three-part video. The first video we're going to explain the difference in the mil-spec ejector versus our improved ejector. The second part will be installation. The third part will be a performance test. So to start out with, here is the mil-spec ejector and this bolt here, as you can see, versus our improved ejector. Our improved ejector is CNC machined from S7 tool steel and it's heat treated to an RC hardness of 54. This ejector has two contact engagement surfaces machined into the product. What it does is it allows the cartridge to find the center of the bolt face when feeding from the magazine. It locks into the center of the bolt, preventing jams and stovepipes. This utilizes all your potential accuracy by getting the same feed results every time. It cuts down on action noise when you're running a suppressor, faster cycle time with less delays, and improved accuracy because there's no obstructions to the projectile or the casing itself. So stay tuned for the next video on installation.